Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking to the skies with Yema's brand new Flygraf Pilot, a compact military-inspired pilot's watch that's just landed in their 2025 Selita collection. After two new dive models, Yema shifts its focus from sea to sky. The Flygraf Pilot is a modern reinterpretation of a historic Yema aviation model. It comes in at a versatile 38.5 millimeters with a thickness under 9 millimeters, giving it a sleek, comfortable profile on any wrist. Its angular lugs, flat-brushed bezel, and box-shaped sapphire crystal all nod to rugged pilot and military timepieces of the past. The sandblasted dial, available in green or black, features a striking sector-style layout for a real field-ready look. Built from multiple concentric rings at different heights, it creates depth and texture. Applied numerals filled with lume and polished hour pearls ensure superb legibility day or night. Pencil-style hands complete the classic pilot watch vibe. Powering the Flygraf Pilot is the reliable Selita SW200 automatic movement with no date, running at 4 Hz with a 38-hour power reserve. You can choose it on a soft leather strap for €890, or go all in with Yema's brand new angular multi-link steel bracelet for €990. Both are equipped with quick-release systems for easy swapping. The Yema Flygraf Pilot blends compact proportions, crisp vintage styling, and solid specs into an accessible package. What do you think of Yema's latest pilot's watch? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more watch reviews and news.